Be mindful. This industry can pay your bills and give you the financial freedom to change your lifestyle. And I'm not just talking Maserati money, I'm talking just financial freedom money. If you take it seriously, if you have good risk management and you stick with a simple strategy that's proven and you manage it accordingly. We have officially hit 1.1 million pips in our morning classes. So that's including we had this nice 6-week string of no losses, and then we got a whole bunch of them, even big ones here, back to back to back. And that's part of it. But 1.1 million pips in our twice a week calls and our private mentorship. So if you're interested in that and want to come along for the journey, it is not something you want to come along for if you're planning on giving it a month. You want to come in there with the mindset of, hey, I'm going to give this a year. I'm going to stick with this. I'm going to learn what there is to learn so I can accomplish comparable results. That's the whole purpose. And if you do that, give or take your next 12 months, ideally you'll be on a completely different financial track. So either way, to give you an idea of what that 1.1 million pips looks like, remember, most of these are indice pips. That's about $1.1 million in this couple years' time. $1.1 million, I think we calculated this morning to be a little bit over $330,000 a year for about an hour twice a week of actual trade session time. The rest of it's just hanging out and talking. So figure 2 hours a week. That's not a bad way to be at all. But I'm super excited. I'm super humbled by all the things that we're doing. And that includes the weeks that are hard, that you kind of want to go, ugh, no fun. So 1 million pips so far, and here's to the next million. This industry is hard. There are always going to be ups and downs. But my only hope is to help people see that it is possible, that with some time, with some patience, a little bit of math and a little bit of skill, you can do great things in very, very small, baby amounts of time. As always, if you have any questions, comments, what have you, put them in the chat, put them down below. Our contact information is also in the YouTube description. Take care and God bless.